Number 8 says which quantity is greater, or are they equal, or is there not enough information to tell? So you'll end up, you had one like this on your quiz. So you'll be given a box, and in one column it'll give you one quantity, and the other column it'll give you the other quantity. So look at the number that must be added to h squared plus 11h in order to complete the square, and the number that must be added to h squared minus 11h in order to complete the square. Well, you know that if you have h squared plus 11h, whatever you have to add here, you would have to add to the other side. We don't care about what you're adding to the other side. What would you have to add right there? You know that you have to take half of b, which would be 11 halves, and you've got to square it, and that's what's going to go there. So 11 halves times 11 halves is 121 fourths, or 30.25. If you look at h squared minus 11h, h squared minus 11h, what would you have to add here to complete the square? Well, you would take, again, half of b, so it would be negative 11 halves times negative 11 halves. And a negative times a negative is still going to be positive. So which quantity is greater? Neither of them. They are equal. Okay, number 9, write an equation that describes the graph of y equals x squared translated 9.25 units to the right and 18.45 units up. So you're taking the parent function and you are doing a horizontal translation to the right and you're doing a vertical translation up. So you have y equals x, you're going to the right, so it would be x minus 9.25 squared, because you're taking this entire function and you're shifting it to the right. And you are going 18.45 units up. So the maximum value of this function is 18.45. The vertex is at 9.25, 18.45. Remember, you're probably going to have to recognize it in its other form, in the actual vertex form. So you would subtract that, subtracting it because it's a positive 18.45, and to move it to the other side you would need to subtract it. So you have y minus 18.45 equals the quantity of x minus 9.25 squared. And the vertex, even though I didn't ask you for it, but you will be asked, the vertex would be 9.25 and 18.45.